honoring and appreciating the remarkable individuals who shape our lives with their dedication and wisdom. They are more than just teachers. They are mentors and role models who inspire us to reach full potential and help us grow into responsible and thoughtful individuals. Their dedication and hard work extend far beyond the classrooms, impacting our lives in profound ways. To our students, today is a chance to reflect on the positive influence of your teachers and to show your appreciation for their support. And to our principal, teaching and non-teaching staff, we extend our heartfelt thanks for your unwavering dedication and commitment. Your efforts play a crucial role in shaping our futures and enriching our lives. Let's celebrate and honor the invaluable contributions of our educators. Happy Teachers Day. Now sit back and enjoy the program. Thank you.
उस दिन से 70 साल हो गए।
हाँ हाँ, सही तो कह रहे हो। उस दिन के बाद 35 साल जो हो गए, वो शाइलर ने सारी जिम्मेदारी मुझ पर डाल दी थी। मुझे अब तक याद है।
अरे क्या बोल रहे हो, मुझे भी बताओ जरा।
हम तो 2024 के जो टीचर डे है ना, उसके बारे में बात
प्लीज कीप क्वाइट। 2024 मुझे तो कुछ नहीं यार। You know, I am a very fruitful person, you know.
नहीं शर्मीन, फॉरगेटफुल होता है।
अरे शेकर स्पीकर का बाप हूँ मैं, मुझे सिखाएगा तू? शेकर स्पीकर नहीं, शेक्सपियर होता है, मुझे सिखाता है तू?
Round 1, fight! अरे रुको रुको, क्या कर रहे हो तुम लोग? उसे सिखाएगा क्या तू उसे सिखाएगा? सिखाने से याद आया, टीचर्स डे का क्या हुआ?
क्या? मुझे तो कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा, कुछ याद नहीं मुझे। चल सोचते हैं। ठीक है, वही बात है, और क्या कर सकते हैं। slowly, okay? I'll give you a count. Wait. 3, 2, 1, go.
सब कहते हैं आजकल की जिंदगी में
in the class to introduce to you all. Please stand up. What is your name?
MP ma'am.
Member of the parliament.
No ma'am. Mohan Pal.
What is your father's name?
MP ma'am.
Master of the parliament.
No ma'am. Manmohan Pal.
Where do you live?
MP ma'am.
माँ का पहले
Again. Manipal.
What is your qualification?
MP ma'am. No E ma'am. Education ma'am.
Why did you come here?
MP ma'am.
What is that
MP ma'am. Money problem. Money problem.
now? Describe yourself.
MP ma'am.
Mentally punctured.
What is that ma'am?
माँ फोटो दुकाता.
My pleasure ma'am.
Okay, children. What was the lesson I was supposed to teach you all? Can anyone tell me? Is this the time to come to school? What's your problem? You look very fit and fine to me. Please get out. No, get up. I don't want you in my class. Get out. They come as they want and they go as they want. Okay, all of you have you done your homework?
No. Yes ma'am.
Can I see your homework, please?
घर पे छूट गया मैं किया था लेकिन घर पे छूट गया
कैसे बेटा?
भूल गया
ऐसे कैसे भूल गए?
कुछ तो कर रहा था
अच्छा, अपने माँ बाप को बुलाओ, फिर मालूम पड़ेगा कैसे भूल गया.
हाउ डेयर यू मैम मेरे पेरेंट्स तो बिजी हैं वो नहीं आ सकते
वो तुम्हारे पेरेंट्स हमेशा बिजी होते हैं. कभी ऐसा नहीं होता कि आप आ सकते हैं. कभी अपने बच्चों को टाइम भी नहीं देते हैं.
मैम मेरे पेरेंट्स पे मत जाओ मैंने गलती की है ना तो मेरे बारे में बताओ
Is this the way you speak to your teachers? Please get out of the class.
ओके मैम
These are today's children.
Patlanpur.
Who's this?
Mudmud ne. Mudmud ke.
Who's this? Which is your next lecture?
Social studies ma'am.
Can you all behave yourselves? Children,
Good morning ma'am.
please sit down. Today I'm going to teach you all about food sciences. Why? Do you all come to school to say that studies are boring? Enjoy your class. You know, children, you'll have your exams coming up shortly. Is this the way to behave, children? Please get up and say sorry to her just now. Why? You don't have any respect?
Patlanpur. Patlanpur.
Children, I'm really disappointed with you all. You all come to school to learn, to
we hurt you?
Okay, children, I just want to tell y'all are here to study. Y'all are not here to play the fool. Okay, so open your books and we will learn something. At the end of this class, okay, y'all can go. Thank you, children. The next year. Oh, it's so good to be out of school. We can really enjoy ourselves, right?
Yes, we can come late.
Finally, we get freedom from.
We can do what we want. Yay! Oh, college life. I was just waiting for this.
Okay, here the teacher comes. Good morning, children. Since today is the first day of school, we will not do anything. Oh, she's not doing anything. Seriously, first day man never used to leave us. A few days later.
I really miss school days now.
Okay, children, I'm giving down the notes. Please take down the notes. Please be quick. You all have finished school years.
And we can't understand what you're telling.
Please write fast.
Please share it with me. Please give me your notes. I didn't copy anything. She's so fast. Can you show me? She's rubbing the board.
We just go and
Yeah, we'll go. We need teacher out because we don't understand everything what is happening over here. Okay? We'll wait till she comes back in. Okay? Now come on, let's go and we'll meet the teacher. I hope she's understanding.
Excuse me, ma'am. We didn't follow your notes. Please explain to us the lesson again.
What were you all doing in the class? I do not explain once I'm out of class.
Ma'am,
And you'll have to make sure, whatever you all want, you'll have to ask me in class. And I have no time at all. I'm sorry. Please go and do what you're supposed to do. Ma'am, can we come after class? Please, ma'am. Please, ma'am. No.
Time, ma'am. Our school teachers only were good. They used to give us so much time and we were so bad. I wish we were in school.
We miss our school days very much. We miss our school days very much. I don't know why we wanted to pass out so soon.
Let us go and visit our teachers someday.
Yeah, let's go and visit them.
Since today is a teacher's day, come, let's all of us go to meet our teachers.
Happy Teachers Day.
Wow, it is so nice to see all of you all. Such life. It has brought life and old memories in us.
It's true that when we had things, we didn't realize how important they were.
Children, it's okay. You all need to move on. And you definitely have a blessing. Okay? We look forward that you will achieve greater heights. And you fly out with flying colors. Okay? So children, all the very best to you all. And may you all always be happy.
Teachers,
Now we realize how important it was.
teacher, we are very sorry. I knelt down and I said, and we are very sorry for what we hurt you all.
No, you don't have to be sorry. Okay, but we hope that you all have realized your mistake. We are here just to teach you, to instill discipline, values, and your education. That's all that we want, that you learn all these things in school, and we hope that you will carry these on throughout your life.
Thank you, teachers, for loving us.
All the best, children, for your future. We wish all teachers a happy Teachers' Day. Thank you.
Everything and everyone is a variable. Only you are the true constant in life. This was quoted by a great man named Athar Sawant.
Athar, what are you doing here?
Was I not the great man you were just supposed to quote?
No. Anyway, let's begin by asking a question. Why do we celebrate Teachers' Day?
Teachers' Day marks the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan of 1963.
Okay, ignoring that, this time I'll begin by asking a question. What is the history of Teachers' Day?
The Gurukul system was India's first educational system dating back to around 5000 BC. Education focused on the Vedas, scriptures, philosophy, and skills like archery, medicine, and governance. Medieval period, Islamic rulers established madrasas for religious and secular education. Colonial era, the British East India Company introduced English education to train clerks and administrators.
What? Where are we?
What? Where?
Welcome to ancient India. What are we doing here? I have no idea. What is the date today? I have no idea. And where the Ashes speech reach? I still have no idea.
Dinosaur!
I thought I said present, not that far back in past.
राम राम जी, कोल्हापुर। अभी ये गुरुकुल सिस्टम थी। यहाँ पे टीचर्स भी होता, बालक भी होता, एकदम आदर्श बालक, जैसे कि हमारा गुरुजी, जैसे कि हमारा गुरुजी। वनकम वनकम। मेरा तमिलनाडु। सलाम अलैकुम जम्मू। राम राम भाई हरियाणा, जोधपुर। सावधान बच्चों, तुम्हारे गुरुजी प्रधान रहे हैं। नमस्कार मित्रों, छात्रों तथा उम्मीद होंगे आप सब लोग धन्य और स्वस्थ होंगे। जैसे ही मैं सलाम अलैकुम साहब, तशरीफ अवारी जनाब, तशरीफ अवारी। ना देखो छात्रों, मैं अपने मध्य भोजन से तृप्त हो चुका हूँ, परंतु इसके पश्चात तुम अपना बाद में खा सकते हो। बैठो। अरे गुरुजी राव देना, तुम्हारी इतनी जात नहीं। क्या बोलता? उर्दू क्या उर्दू? गुरुजी आपको उर्दू आता नहीं, उसको उर्दू ही आता है। जैसे कि आप आइयो। காலை வணக்கம், நீங்க எப்படி இருக்கீங்க? ராம 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 गुरुजी बड़ी गाली। मैं तुम्हें गाली नहीं देता। I was meaning to say good morning sir, how is you? I am not calling you. वाह गुरुजी वाह, अंग्रेजी बोलो, बहुत सियानी छात्र आवे। चटका, तुम कितना प्यारा बालक। अखंड ब्रह्मांड में इस बालक जैसा लंबा मूंछ और किसी छात्र का नहीं, मेरे गुरुजी का भी नहीं।
अयो गुरुजी, बालक की जैसा मूंछ आपके गुरुजी जैसा, जैसे कि आप।
तुम एक समझदार नमूना, जैसे कि
अयो आप। अयो
गुरुजी, मेरा नाम छोड़ो, आपका नाम क्या होती है? मेरा नाम रामस्वामी, चिन्नस्वामी, मुत्तुस्वामी, वेणुगोपाल अय्यर। मेरा नाम चमन स्वामी अय्यर। गुरुजी आपको चमन बोलता जी, क्यों बोलता? अरे हम नहीं बोलता जी, वो आपका चमन बोलता जी, जैसे कि आप। अयो अभी बिना किसी देरी के इस कक्षा को चालू कर दे। आज का हमारा विषय है संस्कृत। संस्कृत एक ऐसी भाषा है जो सिर्फ सिद्धांतवादी और आदर्श बालक ही बोल पाते, जैसे कि आप। बिना किसी देरी के कक्षा को चालू।
सर, मैं आपका नया छात्र सर।
नाम बलविंदर सिंह सर।
नाम बैठ।
अयो गुरुजी, नया बालक हमारा दोस्त होता गुरुजी, वो हमारा ही दोस्त जैसे कि आप।
हमारा दोस्त, लेकिन मेरे लिए आदर्श बाल जैसे कि
अयो आप
अभी बिना किसी बांगड़ी और देरी की कक्षा को चालू कर दें।
अयो अयो अभी कक्षा खत्म हुआ, अभी 3 2 1 भागो।
इधर भाग, इधर भाग, इधर भाग।
अयो हमारे गुरुजी का कहना था जैसे कि आप आदर्श बालक, जैसे कि आप अयो हमारा गुरुजी बहुत महाराज जी, लेकिन हमारा गुरुजी बहुत आदर्श, जैसे कि वही हैप्पी टीचर्स डे टू ऑल द टीचर्स प्रेजेंट हियर एज वेल एज नॉट प्रेजेंट. Do respect your teachers because looking at the work they've been doing, they've genuinely become the true definition of respect. Thank you.
Has ended with what history would say. Let us date back to the 16th century when we started Teachers' Day.
Ma'am, you are supposed to take the test today. Ma'am, you are supposed to collect the assignment today. Ma'am, what about the homework?
respected Principal, Father Jacob Shally, teachers, administrative staff, and our dear students. On behalf of the entire Parent-Teacher Association, I would like to take a moment to thank all teachers for their incredible support and guidance provided to our children this academic year. Your patience, encouragement, and dedication have definitely given the kids a positive energy to achieve their ambitions and future goals. Dear teachers, you all are testaments to your profession, and we parents want you to know that you are truly appreciated. Your passion for teaching has inspired our kids to strive for excellence. Your sincerity, creativity, and ingenuity in teaching has molded our children to be curious and passionate about learning. We are so grateful and wholeheartedly thankful for all that each one of you are doing. Happy Teachers' Day.
अब याद आया शेखर स्पीकर के बाप। अरे इतना अच्छी यादें भूल कैसे सकता है, मैं तो पागल ही हूँ।
And that's a wrap for our Teachers' Day celebration. We hope you had as much as fun as we did. Remember, teaching is not just a job, it's a calling. So let's give our teachers one last applause for all their hard work and endless patience. Happy Teachers' Day.